Hello and welcome to Discount Radar United Kingdom. In this video, I've highlighted and narrated the newest weekly deals from the official brochures of supermarkets across the UK, focusing especially on the middle aisles. This way, you'll be the first to know about all the special discounts, save time, and never miss out on amazing offers. Don't have time to go through the entire brochure? No problem, I'm here for you. Each week, Discount Radar United Kingdom brings you the hottest discounts, must-have bargains, and exclusive promotions. Subscribe now to save more and shop smarter. Let's get started.
Ambiano Heated Era Upright. 36. Heated bars, £79.99. Ambiano Heated Era, Winged 18. Heated bars, £34.99. Visage, Heated Blanket Machine, Washable, 9 temperature levels, £29.99. Ferex Angle, Grinder, Cordless Set, £24.99. Visage Heated, Mattress Pad, King Machine, Washable, 3 temperature steps, Overheating Protection, £19.99. Ferex Multifunctional Sharpener, comes with 3 modules drilling sharpening chisels, sharpening knives and scissors, £16.99. Ferex Palm Detail. Sander, £16.99. WORKZONE Pack and Go Trolley. 2 rolling wheels make the trolley easy to transport, £14.99. Visage Heated Mattress Pad Machine, Washable 3 temperature steps, £14.99. WORKZONE Large Edged Dirt Buster Mat, £12.99. WORKZONE Rechargeable Work Light Assortment, Integrated Magnet into the base, £12.99. WORKZONE Interlocking Tool, Organizer Set of 3 interlocking tool organizers. Each organizer with 10 compartments, including 4 fixed grids and 6 removable dividers, £9.99. WORKZONE Accessory Drawer, choose from 17 or 33 drawers, £9.99. WORKZONE Dolly Trolley with EVA dots with anti-slip coating. Loading capacity, maximum, 250 kilograms, 4 casters, £9.99. WORKZONE Spirit Level Assortment, £8.99. WORKZONE Crimping Tool, set £7.99. WORKZONE 18-piece screwdriver set, £6.99. Kirkton House Structured Doormat, suitable for indoor, protected outdoor and underfloor heating, £5.99. Casalux LED Trekking Torch, £4.99. WORKZONE Hooks, shelf support and tool holder. Get organized in your garage or workshop and never run out of space for your tools. Maximum load capacity, 5 kilograms per clip, £4.99. WORKZONE 10-meter measuring tape, auto stop and self-lock functions, £4.99. Ferex Mixed Drill Bit, sets 15 pieces, suitable for wood, metal and plastic, £3.99. WD-40 Multifunctional Oil, displaces moisture to prevent rust and protect electrics, protects metal surfaces from rust and corrosion. Silicone-free 180 millilitres, £3.69. WORKZONE Angle Bracket Set. These rust-resistant angle brackets are ideal for the fixation of beams, poles, and so much more. This product includes 38 pieces, £2.99. WORKZONE Precision Tool Sets, £2.99. iGlue Books. Baby 5-minute stories, £1.99.
We've reached the end of this week's featured and narrated official supermarket brochure list for the middle aisle deals. If you want to be the first to know about discounts, grab high-quality products at affordable prices before they sell out, and make great savings, don't forget to subscribe to Discount Radar and turn on notifications. Feel free to share your suggestions in the comments, I'd be delighted to hear from you. With Discount Radar United Kingdom, save more and shop smart.